Can you direct bill two different insurance plans? This is our second video on our FAQ series focusing on insurance. We'll break down what goes into managing multiple insurance plans so you can reduce your out-of-pocket costs as much as possible. Hello friends, my name is Mary and I manage Mount Royal Dental Center. In the last 15 years, I've been involved in running the clinic, from being chairside treating patients or by helping them optimizing their insurance benefits. Because we bill insurance plan directly, everything we talk about here, we see on a day-to-day basis. We do what we can do to reduce their out-of-pocket costs and maximize their benefits and navigate through this mess for them. If your clinic does not direct bill, then this video should help you get your claims reimbursed faster. The technical term for this is coordination of benefits. Coordination comes from multiple insurance providers working together to pay a single claim. The primary reason for this is to make sure they are not doubling payments to your treatment provider. Imagine if you claim with two different plans and neither carriers know about each other. That would result in an overpayment. But the real reason we handle this for our patient is to get the second carrier to cover what is left after the first plan pays. Here is a simplified example. If you had a treatment that costs $1,000, but your primary plan only pays 80%, you would have to pay $200 out of pocket. But if we knew you had a second plan through your spouse's works benefit, we just bill the second plan directly for the $200. Now, with that example, if you were the insurance provider, would you rather pay $200 or $800? I'm sure you'd pick the smaller amount. That's why coordination of benefits provides certain rules to make sure that right plans pay for the right amount. The rules dictate which plan is first and which plan is secondary in various scenarios. Here is scenario number 1. If you have dental benefits from work, but your spouse or partner also has you listed in their benefits. When you file a claim, your own work plans will be primary and your spouse's plan will be secondary. When your partner files a claim, their plan will be first and yours will be secondary. Scenario number 2. You have two benefits from two different jobs. In this case, the plan which covers you the longest will pay first, regardless of the levels of coverages the plans provide. Let's go to number 3. Let's look at the scenario regarding dependent children, assuming both parents have coverages. In this case, the coverage for the parent whose birthday comes first will be the primary. So if your birthday is March 2nd, while your partner's birthday is February 16, their plan will pay first, regardless of actual age. It's just who celebrates first in the year. If you happen to have the exact same birthday as your spouse, just like my in-laws, shout out to Mama and Dada, it should be handled alphabetically. Those are not actually their names. But if it was, Dada's plan would pay first. Scenario number 4. Dependent children under single custody. In these cases, there could actually be 3 carriers to coordinate for. Let's say a mom has single custody of her child and she has a new partner. The primary payer would be the parent who has custody of the child. So mom's plan would be primary. The secondary payer would be her new partner's plan, and if there's still any amount still not covered, the third payer would be the plan of the child's father. Messy, I know. But if you're in this situation and your kids need braces, it's worth it. If you have joint custody, The first payer would be handled using the birthday rule under Scenario 3. Scenario 5. You've got an eligible dependent under 25 who also has their own benefits under the university or their part-time job. Their own benefits would pay first. Then any amount left over would be claimed under the rules in Scenario 3, the birthday rule. If your birthday comes first, then your plan will be secondary. If there is still any left over, your spouse's plan can pick that up. Scenario 6. This is for retirees who have retiree benefits, but also has benefits from a part-time job. In this case, the group dental plan from the part-time job would pay the primary and the retirement benefit would pay secondary. If you have two retirement benefits, the plan that has been in place longer will pay first. Scenario number 7. If you have a group plan and an individually owned plan, it would depend on the provision of your individual plan. We've seen cases where the group benefits pays first. We've also seen cases where the personal plan pays first. So we find out as we do the predetermination and ultimately when we submit the claim. Okay, that was a lot, but we do this for our patients and most of them don't even know we did a bunch of these checks. However, if your clinic does not direct bill, I hope this helps you when you try to get your claim reimbursed. We do our best to simplify insurance and billing matters for our patients. So if you're looking for a dentist, we're still accepting new patients. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us at mount-royal-dental-center.com or 403-453-2800. Thank you. Bye.